Hi guys, this is Jordan from ANSM Overland and welcome back to my channel. After around 5 hours of highway driving, here we are. This is the first Mid-Europe Overland Bound meet of the year and I'm very glad to be here. This is actually the second day, because yesterday we were way too busy to meet each others, we didn't even film. So today we are out there for a night drive across the muddy countryside of the Netherlands. In the convoy we have Robert and Frederique with their KJ Jeep, Peter with his Suzuki Jimny, Rosemary who drives an outfitted SF Forester, my good friend Lloyd who also have a SF Forester, me, Christoph and Andrea from Germany with their awesome UAZ Russian van, and then Toon with his Mitsubishi L200.
That's it, it's too late.
At the middle of the drive we had a lunch break in a cozy restaurant. I had the pleasure to try some Dutch specialties. I can't remember the name of that meal, but it wasn't that bad. After that, it was time to get back on the trails.
We're turning for you right here.
We had a lot of fun, but after a little break, a bit of windows cleaning for some and not so serious mechanical problems for others,
It still runs, but it's just missing power.
it was time to head back to camp.
It is difficult to open a wet tent.
Yes, you need a lot of muscle.
So, where's my knife? Almost.
It's not cooked yet.
No, it's not cooked yet. Takes about 10-15 minutes. But this is already really good, so we can grill. This is you're filming now.
Yep.
Okay, I'll explain. I made this. So this is the grill.
Okay.
Here I can cook at the same time, so like in a Dutch oven or a pan, another pan or something. And this place is where I can store charcoal, and I can take charcoal out, put charcoal in, so I can manage the heat in the charcoal of in the grill.
Nice.
Yeah. And when we're done, we can take everything out, and then we have a fire pit.
Good.
So it's really funny, and I'm really happy with it.
Funnier than with gas stove or something like this.
We did it in the earliest, and I have a gas stove with me, but we don't use it very often.
Okay.
We prefer cooking on
fire.
On fire.
Okay.
It's really fun, and the only problem we had was light, but I made a new light on it, so
Problem solved.
problem solved. And it's very compact. It fits everything. Has its place in my trailer.
Yeah.
So it fits snug between everything, so nothing bounces around. So everything is great.
So what do you put in the sade sauce?
Sambal, so chili,
Yeah.
ketchup, soya sauce, garlic, sugar, and then there's gember is ginger,
Ginger.
and some other herbs.
Yeah.
And well, hopefully you like it.
I don't doubt that it.
Oh well, the peanut butter has to be like sauce, so instead of spreading it on your sandwich,
Yeah.
we'll make a sauce out of it. So yeah, it's really at least I think it's really nice. Okay guys, everything is ready. That's good. Yeah, wonderful. Good. Yeah.
Putting blankets on blankets on blankets to get warm.
Okay, next one.
There you go.
then we had some fun.
So this is already the end of this incredible weekend. Jordan is right next to me and he's driving, so because he doesn't speak English very well, he doesn't know how to say it, but we wanted to thank you guys for all the tips, all the food, all the incredible moments that we had. It was amazing. We made some great friends, and I hope to see you all really soon, and maybe to make new friends. Of course, you are always welcome to those events. For us, it was amazing to share and to learn and to have all those good memories together. As usual, we grew a lot from those experiences, and we are looking forward to the new one. Do you have something you want to add?
Yeah, once again, thank you guys. It was an awesome weekend. Especially the food. The food was really great. Thank you, Robert and Frederick. And I wanted to say that that's what overlanding is all about, beside the vehicle-based travel thing, you know. This is just sharing nice stories and experiences and tips, gear and stuff like this. Beautiful moments like this are also overlanding. So thank you guys. And after this beautiful speech, it's time to end this video. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next week.
Okay, do it again.
No. Where are the yellow ones? I think right by your hands, maybe. I think here. How big is the covers?
Bless you. Thank you. Well, how big is the trunk?
Okay, so film this. We are not. We are close, but no cigar. So, you're done. Thank you. Perfect. Yeah. I have to open it up at home anyway to dry it, so fuck it.
If it sits, it fits.
Exactly.
Okay Okay guys, so I'm out there looking for some Subaru Forester and here they come. And now it's time to look for a wild boyfriend. So let's try to find him. Boyfriend, where are you? I think I found the boyfriend. He's just right here in his natural habitat, right behind this pile of wood, and ta-ta-ta, ta-ta-ta, I found the boyfriend. Boyfriend! Kiss kiss?
And I almost forgot. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can also check my Instagram account and my Facebook page. All the links are gonna be down below in the description as usual. So this time, for real, thank you guys for watching and see you next week.